Hello, I'm Frank Calderone, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. Last week, ending September 6th, the major indexes had a rough week in decline as economic data and a slowing global economy moved investors to fears of a recession. The ISM manufacturing PMI remained in contraction territory as new orders and production declined. Total construction spending was lower than expected, declining 0.3% in July. Compared to a year earlier, total construction spending was up 6.7%. The trade deficit in goods and services increased to $78.8 billion in July, as imports were much larger than exports. Job openings in July declined to 7.37 million, the lowest since 2021. This is an indication that labor demand is softening, which is consistent with the view of Raymond James of a slowing economy and job market. The ISM Services PMI came in slightly higher in August at 51.5 from 51.4, a sign that the service sector, the largest sector in the economy, has continued to expand but at a slower pace. And non-farm payrolls increased by a less than expected 142,000 jobs, with the unemployment rate declining to 4.2 from 4.3%. The labor force participation rate remained at 62.7. Year-to-date, the Dow is up 7.1%, the S&P is up 13.4%, and the Nasdaq is up 11.2%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 3.7%. Oil closed at $67.78 a barrel. Gold closed at $2,495.78 an ounce, with silver closing at $27.92 an ounce. For this week of September 9th, Monday we'll get wholesale inventories and consumer credit data. Wednesday, the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, and Core CPI will be reported. CPI is a measure of the change in prices that consumers pay for goods and services. Core CPI excludes food and energy. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, the Producer Price Index, or PPI, and Core PPI, which excludes food and energy. PPI is a measure of inflation on the wholesale level. And on Friday, the Import Price Index and Consumer Sentiment data will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, if you have investable assets of $300,000 or more, we can provide you with a complimentary financial plan. Call us for details. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.